This is a review of the Nicewell stainless steel electric scale, and I have had this scale for many years, and it hasn't let me down. It's got 2 AA batteries. It's got grams, kilograms, pounds, fluid ounces, milliliters. And so it works really, really good at different measurements. I particularly like the tare function because with certain items, with baking, you have to be precise with the grams. You have to be precise with the measurements. So what I do here is I put the container on the scale, and then I press tare. And so what that does is it equals it out. And then I can slowly add what I need until I'm at the measurement that I need. It's got a nice on-off function. Easy clean.